Hey guys, Halty Bread here, and today we're going to be working on spark plug wires and getting this old points distributor, taking it out and putting in a new one. It's in the box here. Take a look at it. Check it out. She's looking pretty shiny, pretty fancy. Huh? HEI. We'll try it out. It's supposed to have 50,000. We'll see. Anyway, what we're gonna do first is I've already done one. You gotta put these boots on that'll fit on top of the HEI. Right here. They fit on these. That boot fits on there. What's on there right now is this kind. And it doesn't work. I can't get it to work on that. So we're gonna switch them out, and here we go. All right, so I got one of them done already. So I'm just gonna keep moving. I'm not gonna focus on the firing order. I'll figure that out later. Let's look it up. So I'm just gonna. But all I'm doing is just cutting them, cutting it off, and using this to give me as much length as I need. Cut it with the wire cutter, like so. Then I got that. All I'll do with that is fold it over. And I got these online, bought them on eBay. So just fold it over like that. So it looks like that. If you can see it, there you go. Like that. And I put this metal clip on there. It holds the wire in place, hopefully. Make sure it's a little tight. Okay. I'm trying to get this thing up against the wall. There we go. There we go. Stuff it in there. Like so. And I was just using the pliers. I mean, there's a tool that's made for this, but I don't have one. So I was just kind of squeezing it both ways. Squeezing it this way until I get it tight. And really all you're trying to do is hold the end on the wire. So squeezing it. This pliers has really got a good, it works really well for this, actually. So that's what it looks like. And you can kind of just squeeze it in that end of the pliers. Just tighten these up. Pretty good and tight. There. And that's what it looks like when it's done. Then all you gotta do is take a boot, just put a little bit of grease on there to make it a little easier to move. I should be using dielectric grease, but I don't have any. So I'm hoping this isn't gonna be an issue. We'll see. But I'm not putting it on where the spark plug goes in. I'm just putting it on the outside so I can get this thing through the boot a little easier. That's all I'm doing. Get it on there. And then I'm kind of just stuffing it through here. It's a little bit of a battle, but it's gonna keep on going until you can see it, and then I grab a screwdriver, stuff it in there. To the top of it, and I was just taking a screwdriver, putting it in there, and kind of just pulling it up to the top, just like that. And then what I was doing is taking a distributor, just making sure that I can get that to click on there, just like that. All right, this is what we're going to be taking out. We've got to take out the coil, and then we can probably get at the distributor hold down. Make sure you unplug your battery. Yeah, we should be able to get at that with a 1/2 inch. Should do it. Oh yeah, there we are. There it is. I just got to disconnect these wires, and then got the tack on the negative side and the ignition on the positive. And yeah, let's take them off. Side. Negative side off. That's it. The coil. I think these might hold a charge, so you want to be careful when you're messing with these. I'm not sure how much of a charge these hold, but I wouldn't mess around with the positive and negative side. So be careful. And it looks like we got one. All right, got to take the number 1 spark plug out so we can find top dead center. We're going to point the rotor at the number 1. Find out where it is anyway. And then when we drop the other distributor in, we'll just drop it in at number 1. And we should be good to go. All right, let's see where we're at as far as the rotor goes. Look at that. She's right on number 1. Huh? Perfect. Got our timing mark. Oh, it's hard to see. Let's see here. Ah, you can't see it. There's not enough light. It's right down there. Anyway, it's at about 8 degrees. before top dead center. So yeah, just when I'm by myself, let's take a piece of paper, or if I got a helper, put it in the hole of the number 1 spark plug, and then crank it over until it blows that piece of paper out. Today I had my lovely wife, Wendy, help me crank over the engine, and she told me when the paper blew out. That way I knew we were at top dead center. Dig it. There we go. So I'm doing the hold down for the distributor. It's on the driver's side on these Oldsmobile engines. Kind of used to working on my small block Chevy where it's on the other side. So I think that should do it. So I should be able to just pull this up. Timing line out of there, and I think this thing should come right. Oh, get all this crap out of the way. It might be a little stubborn. It is. There, it moves anyway. So get it out of there. There we go. And we're free. Check it out. One distributor out of a 1973 old Sport 55 points style. There it is. And that is tough to see there. There it is. Just hold down. Should be able to drop the other one right in there and put it on number 1 and be good to go. Let's do that. So I dropped her down. Made sure the rotor was pointing at the number 1. And it looks like it is. I mean, it's in the general vicinity anyway. Let's see here. Because I got the piece of tape on there for reference. So I know where number 1 is. And if I set the cap down, that's number 1 right there. So let's pull the cap up. There's number 1. So I should be able to just bolt it on there and kind of adjust timing from there. Cool. That's gonna do it for this video. Next video will be putting the plug wires back on and trying to fire it up. Should be able to get it running pretty easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Talk to you later.